Hey, what's going on, everyone? Todd G here. And in this case study, hardworking father finds himself homeless and crying in his car. Digital growth community review and bonuses video. I'm going to show you how a hardworking husband and father suddenly finds himself broke, separated, and homeless with no plan B. He takes the chance with the digital growth community and legacy builders review and where he's at today. And also show you how people from all walks of life are winning with the digital growth community and legacy builders program. But first, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below and smash that thumbs up icon below to like this video. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you how you can find your way out if you are struggling like this homeless husband and father was with daily pay sent directly to you and your account. Okay. Without further ado, here's this struggling, hardworking father's story.
All right. So guys, if you don't know who I'm Daryl Hanna. So guys, how I got into this industry, I was working as a welder, 14 years at a job. I'm talking about planning for retirement, 401k, IRAs, everything. Never missed work. Life was miserable. Almost got divorced because I was working 6 days a week, 7 days a week. 12 hours a day. I missed like 4 or 5 anniversaries, my wife's anniversaries because I had to work. I missed a lot of time with my daughter growing up. I have a son that's in college right now, to be a sophomore. I'm talking about just missed all the stuff that parents are supposed to be out doing, especially in the summertime when they're at the lake, they're at the park, they're swimming, they're on vacation. I'm at work. So I just didn't have a life. I didn't have any time. And because I literally put a job before I put my family. And a lot of times when we're at a job and we feel like we've been there over 5 to 7 years and 10 years, we feel like we got seniority. And that's what I thought I had too, until on a Tuesday, around about 8 o'clock in the morning, I come to work like I typically do. And I get called to the office, and make a long story short, they come telling me, it was me and 7 other people, that my department was going away. So you figure if you've been at a job for 14 years, you done put that job before your family. You done everything. You're like I was 3 times employee of the month in 14 years. I'm talking about a true company guy. And they come in and told me that they were doing away with the department. And so I told myself, I didn't think anything about it because I figured I had been there a lot longer than a lot of people. Well, obviously seniority don't mean anything once they realize that, they just don't want to, they're really trying to get rid of you. So, about 15 minutes after that, guys, I found myself in the car crying because I didn't have a job. 14 years, thrown down the drain. I got fired. I didn't have no plan B. I didn't have any money saved up. I was already living paycheck to paycheck, and I'm not afraid to say it. I was already living paycheck to paycheck. I was almost divorced because I had put the job before my family, because a lot of times we're working, we're looking for ways to get our time back, but we still have to keep that job. And that's where I was at. And because of that, guys, I allow somebody to basically dictate my income, to come in and just snap their fingers like that. And next thing I know, I'm homeless, and I was living in my car for 3 months, guys. Actually, I got separated from my wife because of that, if I'm being honest. And so I told myself, I said, never again will I ever allow a job or anything to be completely over my income. I told myself I wanted my income to be based off my work ethic. That's how I wanted to make my money. So I knew people were making money online. I just didn't know anything about it, guys. So I went into the online space. I went on YouTube and I started typing in ways to make money. Make a long story short, guys, I came into digital marketing. And on January the 15th of this year is when someone introduced me to the community, because I didn't know anything about it, guys. I didn't know anything about the community. And I'll tell you this, guys, I got started, I got plugged in. The first thing that caught my eye was the support of the community. Like when I came in, everybody was just like, I just kept looking at everybody, just congratulating everybody, which is a lot different than I'm used to, because a lot of time in those Facebook groups, you don't have that type of support. And that's the reason why a lot of people join opportunities and they quit, because they don't have support. And that was one thing that I knew right out the gate that I really loved. Just seeing everybody win, just all the support, and then the training, guys. This is what really helped me, because I got started, I got plugged in. The mindset training, I was equipped with the skills, guys, to be able to create the content that was allowing me to attract my ideal, my perfect customer. And I'll say this, I started on January the 15th. And so I think I made like $5,000 in those 2 weeks, which was really, impressive. Well, the next week I made, I think it was like almost 8,000. So it got better. But March, guys, listen to this. Now I remember Michelle saying something about when we launched. She's like, hey, we're getting ready to launch. People are gonna have record months, record weeks. And I told myself, I said, going into the month of March, I was feeling momentum. I said, going into the month of March, I said, my goal was to make $10,000, but I was shooting for 20. So I just acted like I made 20,000 my main goal. Guys, listen to this. Again, we do this around a 2-hour workday. My first 11 days, I made $10,000 in March, right out the gate. So I ended up making $37,000 last month, working 2 hours a day around my family. Guys, I don't know where you guys come from, but where I come from, that's like hitting the lottery. $37,000 in your bank account is unreal. Like, I remember telling my wife this, and she doesn't know anything about social media. She doesn't know anything about the internet. So when I told her that, and I was showing her some of the money in the bank, she was like, well, what if it goes away? Like, what if all this stops? And I had to tell them, like, sweetie, this is a $1 billion a day industry. This is the internet. This is where we're at. We're in a digital era. Guys, I just want to say this. I have never, and this isn't I came into the online space in 2017, but I wasn't doing digital marketing. I was a part of my first business was an MLM. I built teams. I've done it all. I have yet, and I'm not just saying this because I'm here. I'm telling you, I have yet to meet any type of format, any business, anything that's structured like this around a 2-hour workday. You can make good money in the online space, but you're gonna be on this phone almost all day. Today, I made $900 today, and I have been at the waterfalls because in Tennessee, we have a lot of parks and waterfalls. I have been out there all day, just enjoying waterfalls, just enjoying myself, because now I've got time to be able to spend with my wife, go on dates that I wasn't able to go on. We're actually getting ready to go to Jamaica in a couple months. It's gonna be 8 of us, and I've been able to pay for all 8 people, which is something I would have never been able to do last year or the year before that or the year before that. It's just been a true blessing. The fact that we get to wake up and we get inspired by Michelle, someone who's already done the work, someone who is leading from the front because she's already done everything. You have a system that's basically running your business on autopilot, guys. This is how you're able to this is how I've been able to get my time back. The fact that I used to work 12 hours a day, right now it is 7:59 Eastern Central Standard Time in Tennessee. I would literally 30 minutes ago be just getting home after kissing my daughter and my son years ago at 4 o'clock in the morning, and this is what time I'll be getting home. The fact that I'm able to now have time frame, I can come and do whatever I want, whenever I want. I don't have to worry about if my rent's gonna be paid or my car payment. As a matter of fact, I remember Amy just said this. She said she paid off her car. Guys, back here last month, I bought a brand new Altima. And I paid, 1 week, I think it was the second week of March, I wrote a check for $13,000, a cashier's check. And then the next week, 2 weeks later, I finished paying it off and wrote another check for like $2,500. So I shaved off almost 4 years off of a brand new car that I've got financed for 5 years. I don't think you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, there is nothing out there like this. And the fact that, again, that we have a system, the program, the Legacy Builder, where you're gonna be able to, you're getting live coaching by someone who done made over $1 million in digital marketing. You're gonna learn all this around a 2-hour workday. And the good thing about it, again, is that you have support from the community. You got people who done made 6 figures. You're gonna get free training. You're gonna get everything. And so I just encourage you guys, like, whoever invited you here for a reason, whether I invited you, whether whoever invited you, because I'm telling you right now, what's coming is way better than what's going on right now. And what's going on right now is phenomenal. But what's coming, this 90-day run, guys, I'm telling you right now, you want to be a part of this. You want to be a part of this movement, this community, and the Legacy Builder, because I'm telling you right now, if you're serious about your income, this is where you want to be. So I just want to say thank you, Michelle. I want to just thank Amy, Victoria, Tim. All these guys are people who I've watched. And a lot of my success is from those guys, because the good thing about this business It's a copycat business, and if you copy the right cat, I can promise you guys, you're gonna see profits. So again, just thank you, Michelle, thank you. And just super excited, guys. I think there's an old saying, and I say this in anytime I do a live, I say this, and I'm getting off. I had a mentor tell me this in 2018, guys. He said, you have to stop being poor. And I didn't know what that acronym meant. And that means passing over opportunities repeatedly. They don't come often, guys. And this is a hell of an opportunity. Excuse my French. This is a hell of an opportunity for you and your family. And it can definitely put you somewhere you've never been in the next 90 days, let alone by the end of December. So again, thank you, Michelle. Just super blessed and excited to be here. Appreciate you guys.
Wow, that's pretty powerful stuff. And it's not just Daryl that's finding freedom and finding his plan B. People are posting their success stories every day inside the digital growth community. Okay, here we are inside the digital growth community Skool group. Now, under the community, there's a category here called wins. Let's go ahead and click on that. All right, 28 minutes ago, Emily, a random $900 sale puts me at almost $14K earned. Shirley, 21 hours ago, ding, $600 sale. Anyini, oh my God, just had a $1,000 day. That's 5 days ago. Yashika, 11 minutes ago, $400. Jim, 2 hours ago, my first sale, $900 while on the webinar. Oh man, here we go. I made my first sale while I was on the webinar. Let's go. Tammy here, 5 hours ago. I feel good. I knew that I would ding $900. I just got the ding on my phone from my live yesterday. Michael, 4 days ago. He's looking for more YouTube subscribers. Trisha, huge shout out to Michelle, who helped me more than she'll know. All right, it happened. Daria, 9 hours ago. I've seen countless I woke up to posts, and it happened to me finally. Extra hundo to start the weekend. Angela, 23 minutes ago. One win. Wow, had a bit of a slow start, but finally got up and running this week, and I've been following to the T my first $900 sale. Ben, 7 hours ago. Just hit 9K for April. Valerie, 1 day ago. $300 sale whilst on the phone. 20 hours ago, Victoria. He is home and I hit 70K for April alone. Hallelujah. Kelsey, 2 hours ago, $300 ding, an upgrade to Legacy. Ramona, 4 hours ago, a $900 ding ding. Let's look at Marcia, 1 hour ago, month of April, 14,300. 21 hours ago, Lanisha, oh my God, you guys, I got my first sale. I am beyond excited and happy. Tracy, 4 hours ago, congratulations to Jackie. Jackie upgraded with me last night, made her first $900 sale just hours later. Emma, 47 minutes ago, $11,100 in 26 days. Pinch me. Daryl, 18 hours ago, hit 29K for April. Shara, 4 hours ago, $413 already in the morning by 9 a.m. Cha-ching, 3 hours ago, Mary Beth woke up to another $900 this morning. Daniela, first sale 16 hours ago. I just finished setting up my Freedom Machine today and I already got my first $100 sale. So I could go on and on here. I could scroll forever, but as you can see, people from all walks of life are making sales here and winning inside the digital growth community. All right, that's it for this case study. Hardworking father finds himself homeless and crying in his car. Digital growth community review and bonuses video. If you want to learn more about the digital growth community and Legacy Builders review programs, you can see all of the resources and links below this video in the description below, including a complete playlist that shows you everything about the digital growth community reviews and Legacy Builder program review. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.